I am Sri S.B. Hugar, Headmaster, Jagadguru Tondadarya Boys High School, Dambal, and is managed by Jagadguru Tondadarya Vidyapita, Gadag, which is a public and charitable trust funded by His Holiness late Sri Dr. Tondada Siddhalinga Mahaswamiji, a recipient of the National Award by the President of India for Communal Harmony and National Integration. The trust is headed by His Holiness Dr. Tondada Siddharama Mahaswamiji. Our school UDICE 2908020158. Our school Atal code sanction 21731119. The institute is bent on providing quality education at the least cost, which the service motto as the sole vision, with adequate infrastructure facilities to rural and urban students. The students are participated in national level sports and cultural activities and awarded in inter-district science quiz competition. The school has provided dedicated infrastructure for research and development. The institution has received 4 times letter of appreciation for MHRD for good results. Atal Innovation Mission is a brilliant and wonderful ideas which is generated by Niti Ayoga to enable us to establish Atal Lab at our school. Its objective is to serve as a platform for promoting great innovative ideas, learning, creating, exploring, and ultimately leading to deduce the complete solution to problem by developing the ideas through Atal Lab, which enable the students in nation building, providing innovating ideas to the society. I thank Niti Ayoga for giving Atal Lab to our school, and we request you to release the fund at the earlier for the beneficial for our students' academic goals. Thank you, sir.
I am D. Devdas, Assistant Teacher, Sri Jagadguru Tondadarya Boys High School at Dambal, Mundargi Taluk, Gadag District in Karnataka. Today, I told you Atal Thinking Lab. The Atal Thinking Lab objectives to create workspace that is suitable for young minds to learn innovation skills, develop ideas by hands-on activities, work and learn in a flexible environment, to empower youth with the 21st century skills of creativity, innovations, critical thinking, design thinking, social and cross-cultural collaboration, ethical leadership and scientific attitude, etc. To help build innovative solutions for India's unique problems, thereby supporting the nation supposed to grow as knowledge economy. A future of the Atal Lab. Atal Lab is a workspace that enables young minds to shape their ideas through hands-on do-it-yourself mode. Young children are offered with opportunities to work with tools and equipments to understand the concept of STEM, science technology, engineering technology, mathematics, and so etc. To stimulate inventiveness among students, Atal Thinking Lab conducts different activities that range from regional and national level competitions, exhibitions, workshops on problem solving, designing, and fabrication of products, lecturers, series, etc. Okay, sir. Thank you.